Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge two videos in InShot. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to do it, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now, click on the video option. Here, click on New to create a new project. Now select multiple videos. Just like this, click here to add it to your timeline. Now, to merge multiple videos, first we'll split the videos and delete the unnecessary part. Just like this. Now, if we play our video, to make the merge much better, simply click here to add transitions. Just like this to make it smoother. And now if we play the video, it'll look like this. And just like this, we can merge videos in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.